In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book trailer on Canva. A book trailer is a short, cinematic preview that teases your story and hooks your audience, and Canva makes the process simple even if you're not a video editor. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Choose Presentation. This format gives you a widescreen canvas that looks great as a video and lets you build your trailer scene by scene using multiple slides. In the search bar, type Book Trailer to browse theme templates. Look for a style that matches your genre: moody for thrillers, whimsical for fantasy, bright and clean for contemporary fiction. If you prefer, you can start from a blank presentation and build it out, but a template jumpstarts the design and pacing. Now customize your scenes. Replace the placeholder text with your book title, a tagline, and a few short teasers. Keep lines brief and dramatic. Think one punchy sentence per slide so viewers can read everything quickly. Drag in your book cover, any author photos you want to include, and relevant visuals. Use Canva's library of stock images and video clips or upload your own. Adjust colors and fonts to match your book's branding. High contrast and consistent typography help everything feel cohesive. As you lay out each slide, check timing by trimming slide duration so each line stays on screen long enough to read, but not so long that momentum stalls. 2 to 4 seconds per line is a good baseline, with slightly longer holds for the title and call to action. Next, add animations and audio. Apply subtle text animations and element motions to create flow. Things like fades, slides, or typewriter effects can add energy without distracting from the message. Use the play button to preview and fine-tune the rhythm from slide to slide. Then add music from Canva's copyright-free library. Choose a track that matches your tone and pace, and adjust the volume so it supports the visuals. If you want extra impact, you can include a short voiceover that highlights your strongest lines. When everything feels tight, click Share, then download. Select MP4 video for high-definition quality that works across social media and websites. Watch the exported trailer all the way through to test readability, pacing, and audio balance. If you're posting to multiple platforms, customize aspect ratios so your trailer fits YouTube, Instagram, or other channels cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching.